We are in downtown Tifton on 3rd Street. We got a call a while ago. It said there was a huge swarm of bees down here. And I believe them. Got to be careful around them. But they have got a huge swarm of bees down here. Moved in. They're probably pretty excited about everything. Let's see if we can get a close-up of them. Well, I've said somebody needs to call a person that works with bees. This is on 3rd Street, downtown Tifton. Quite a group of bees down there. That's a beautiful sight, because we need bees to pollinate stuff. As you can see, we're on 3rd Street, downtown Tifton. We have a bee swarm up here. Great insect bees. Do a lot of work. Well, we'll call 911 to see if they can find somebody to come get the swarm. Sure don't want anything to happen to them. We need all the bees that we can get. If you don't upset them and make them panic, they're not dangerous. They're just trying to get organized somewhere. They may take off from here any minute and fly somewhere else. They smell that queen and they're working around it. Nice swarm.